Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will discuss monopoly market and characteristic of monopoly market and nature of monopoly. Monopoly is a market structure where there is a single seller selling a particular commodity for which there are no close substitute. Characteristic of monopoly market. There is a single seller, only one seller selling a particular product. Farm has full control over the supply of product. There is no difference between farm and industry. The farm is itself an industry. The farms can influence the price of a product. Farms are price makers, not price takers. There are barriers for new entrants. And 6. There are no close substitute for a monopolist product. And 7. The demand curve under monopoly market is downward sloping, which means that the firm can earn more profit only by increasing the sales, which are possible by decreasing the price of a product. Nature of monopoly. We know that in monopoly market there is no difference between farm and industry. So the monopoly demand curve is industrial demand curve. The demand curve is downward sloping. The average revenue and marginal revenue also downward sloping because monopoly market is price makers. When price change, the marginal revenue and average revenue also change. In this curve shows that demand curve of monopoly and marginal revenue curve is downward sloping. When price change, the marginal revenue change and average revenue change, but marginal revenue change greater than average revenue. So the marginal revenue is twist steeper than average revenue curve, and average revenue curve is greater than marginal revenue.